morning. It's a nice bright Sunday morning, and I'm out doing a series of 3 caches on the cycle path in York. Currently walking into the sun. I've just done the first one. That was Huntington Road behind me, Huntington Road footbridge. And I'm now just heading back the way I came. If you've watched my previous video, you'll know which direction I came in, or you'll have seen where I came. And I'm now heading back the same way to look for the next cache. I'll flip the camera around in a second and show you where we're going. So you'll have already seen this along this path. There's these unusual blue pipework structures. Wow, that sun is bright. It's glorious. A bit frosty, but it's a nice morning to get out, have a little walk and do some geocaching. Especially now we're in lockdown again. It just makes it a little bit less dull. I'm actually quite surprised by how many people have come past me this morning. But as I say, it is a nice, well, as you can see, it is a nice bright sunny day, and I guess people are taking advantage of it before it gets too busy, because if it stays like this, there'll be a lot of people out getting a bit of a walk today. So that's the sports complex I passed in the previous video, which, as I say, I believe belongs to York St John, the university. I can hardly see a thing as I walk along today. The sun's right in my face, and it's low slung at the moment. That's better. It's just dipped behind a building. Well, the sun hasn't dipped. I've walked in front of the building's shadow. Now I believe the cache isn't far from this bridge here, and I think I'm going to find it on a wall, if I've understood the clues correctly. So this is the bridge. I'm passing under the bridge that goes along Malton Road into and out of York. Right, so according to this, I'm about 30 metres away. Not far at all. Sorry if the camera's on an angle, I just had to drop that in quick. What can I say? Lots of Muggles. This is one of those nice little bolt ones. It looks like a bolt. Very clever. Tiny little log inside. Very dry. I may need my trusty, unless it just drops out. Oh, it's dropped out. I thought I was going to need my tweezers. I've only signed this as more than, there's not an awful lot of space on the log, and it's not fair to not leave space for others. Pop it back in. And it looks quiet, so I think I'm just going to, no, there's somebody coming. There's nobody around, so I'm just going to, oh, some runners coming now. I was just going to drop this back, so I'll just give it a second. There we go, it's slotted back in. I hope you liked that. Please give the video a like if you did, a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't. On to the next one. As I say, I'm doing a series of 3 today. That was the second, and they're all along the cycle path in York. If you're enjoying these, why not subscribe to the channel, and then you'll get a notification just to say I've uploaded another video. See you soon.